Hi, my name is John Walsh with Logic Group, and frequently our users not only do they want to trace a pattern, but they also want to calculate the area of the pattern and the perimeter of the pattern, so they charge based on the area and the length. Of course, our software can also do that besides tracing. So I'm going to do a demonstration of that here. First thing I'm going to do is come into the software, I'm going to click the options button, and I'm going to tell it I want to calculate the area and the perimeter. I save this. And then I just go in and trace my pattern, click trace start. Now, normally I would go in there and do lines and arcs to make it nice and accurate. What I'm trying to do is just do speed here. So I'm going to do it as a bunch of points. So you can see, so I'm tracing the pattern very quickly with points. Go all the way around. Almost done here. And again, I am just going fast because I want this video to get boring. And then I finish my pattern and I come in here and I click stop, and it tells me that the area of that was 74.21 square inches and the perimeter was 43.78 inches. Oh wow, very cool. Let's do another one. I'm going to click trace start, and I just come in here and I trace the pattern. Again, I can do lines, arcs, curves, but I'm just doing points to make it very fast. Come in here and do the pattern, and I'm all done. And I come in here, there's my pattern, I click stop, and it tells me my area was 18.41 square inches and the perimeter was 21.865 inches. Very good. So with our software, you can calculate areas and lengths besides trace of patterns. My name is John Walsh. Thank you.